What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a long time since I've been back, but today's video is going to be about ChatGPT for solar energy. So, without further ado, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get to the video. So, let's get straight into it. I'm going to type in what is solar energy. Just type it, ask a question, and it'll give me the response. So, solar energy is an energy that is derived from sun's radiation. It's a renewable energy source, converted electricity for heating and cooling purposes, and then there you go. On the left side, you can see it generates a solar energy type of conversation that's generated. So, and I can ask more about solar energy. So if I'm someone who wants to know, you know, what's going on in today's up-to-date trends, I can just ask, what is the new trend in the solar energy industry, right? Boom. Ask it up, it'll tell me the several new trends going on. Energy storage, right? New ways to store energy. Floating solar PVs, that's a new way, having solar PV installed on waters, lakes, that's going on as well. Building integrated photovoltaics, BIPV, so having solar PV transparent glasses on the windows of buildings and offices. Community solar, solar power transportation, so electric vehicles, EVs, charging stations. So what's the let's say the job market for the solar energy industry in Pakistan, especially, we can do that as well. So what is the solar energy industry, or solar energy, sorry, job market in Pakistan? And here we go. It'll give me a response. The solar energy job market in Pakistan is relatively new but growing rapidly. In recent years, the government of Pakistan has announced several initiatives to promote solar energy adoptions and increase the share of renewable energy in the country's mixing. Installation and maintenance, sales, engineering, solar panel installers, system designers, representatives, engineers, project managers, consultants, technicians. Moreover, many existing companies in Pakistan are expected to grow and expected to grow for more skilled professionals. So, there you have it. Okay, so let's go on to, let's say, if I want to design a solar system, right? If I wanted to size off-grid standalone PV system. So I'll say how to size your solar PV system. All right, let's see what it gives me. I spelled it wrong. Sizing a solar PV system involves calculating the electricity of the system. There's several key steps you need to know. Determine your energy consumption. So first step is determine how much energy your electricity bill is giving off monthly in kilowatt hours. Identify your peak energy usage. So time of the day, with your peak sun hours. Determine your location and solar resources. So how many hours of sunlight you're getting in your location. Calculate the size of solar system. So how many solar system size, 5 kilowatts, 10 kilowatts, and then from there factor in the system losses, solar shading losses, wiring losses, inverter losses. Then you have to consult a solar installer, get some more detailed response and regulations, quotations, and then overall this is what it gives you. You can also do it, you can ask for, give an example. So give me an example on how to size my off-grid solar system in detail. Calculations. Trust me, it'll give me that response. See, here's an example of off-grid solar system calculations. So it gives me the step one, assume that you have 10 kilowatt hours of per day energy consumption, times by 30 days, monthly, 300 kilowatt hours. Then step two, peak energy usage from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. And then step three, location as well. So 5 hours of sunlight per day. Calculate the size of system. Based on that, it will give me 4 times 5 for 20 kilowatt hours per day of peak sun energy usage. Then 10 kilowatt hours per day times 24 gives 240 kilowatt hours per day of energy, daily energy usage. Then based on that, I'm getting my total energy requirement of 260 kilowatt hours per day, and then 50% of energy loss, which is 5.2 kilowatt of solar system. Then you have the system losses, take into consideration, so 6.5 kilowatt of solar system installation. Then you have the battery bank and the inverter capacity as well. So these are the calculations, how many days of battery storage I need. 3 days. Then the battery bank efficiency of 85%. So there you go. And then the voltage as well. Then the inverter, 4.8 kilowatt of inverter. So yeah, I mean, there you go. I mean, this is giving you on the spot, guide on how to size solar system. I can even ask, like, what are, like, solar inverters, for example, if I want to know more about the balance of system components. what are solar inverters, what are the types of solar inverters, how to use the solar inverters, specifications, everything. You can do so much more with the steps of open AI, ChatGPT, in terms of learning more about solar energy. What type of certifications you should do, the type of, let's say, solar softwares that can use. So yeah, right now it's giving me the response for solar inverters, microinverters, string inverters, optimizers, power optimizers. Yeah, definitely is all in one, where you can learn on the spot. That's it for today's video. I mean, not really too much in terms of knowledge wise, informative, but of what ChatGPT can give the response of solar energy. You can use it for your business as well if you want to type in what type of business opportunities that solar can offer. What are the business opportunities that solar energy can offer? And then it can give you a range of business across sectors: solar installation and maintenance, solar manufacturing. Yep, solar manufacturing for factories, specialize in production of solar panels, inverters, batteries, solar financing, invest in power systems, lease, solar consultant, so help you design the systems as well, solar energy storage, solutions, batteries, technologies, solar powered products, DIY products, pumping, water, lighting, appliances. So these are the business opportunities for entrepreneurs to grow up and invest in these key sectors. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what else I should do in next videos. I'm planning on doing tutorial on how to design solar systems, so like PV cyst, or already done PV cyst. If you want to check that out video, somewhere on the top I'll show you the video of PV cyst open solar design videos I've done in the past. I'm thinking of doing new tutorial designing. So AutoCAD, PV these are the two ones I'm thinking of. Let me know in the comments below the feedback, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care, stay safe, bye bye.